Welcome to 6220 Mast Road. Located just moments from downtown Dexter and under a 15-minute drive to Ann Arbor. This 3-bed, 2.5-bath, 2-story home sits nestled on over 8 acres of treed meadows and offers over 2,300 square feet of total livable space. The back deck covers the entire rear of the home and features a cathedral ceiling screened gazebo. The detached garage on the northeast side of the property offers an additional 2.5 parking spots and can easily be turned into a workshop. With recent updates to the windows, roof, paint, and siding, the exterior of this home really shines. The inside is packed full of upgrades as well, including an updated kitchen, first floor master, tiled master bathroom, wood floors, and much more. Join us while we tour this beautiful home. Thanks for visiting 6220 Mast Road. If you have any questions about this listing or any other, please contact Rob Ewing. The nearby city of Dexter has a lot to offer. There are some great restaurants doing exciting things every week, as well as the opportunity to enjoy professional musical theater performances at the Encore Theater Company. Beyond the arts, Dexter takes full advantage of its close proximity to some of the country's best parks and recreational areas. You'll find gorgeous Mill Creek Park on the northwest side of town, offering great sunset views and an all-new border-to-border trail which runs over 30 miles in total, connecting downtown directly to the Metro Park system through a series of lovely trails and boardwalks.